Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel where I share delicious recipes every single Monday and Thursday. But today is going to be just a little bit different. I am getting ready to go backpacking and I want to show you my backpacking meals. Okay, so on my board I have my backpacking food, and I have 3 meals, which is a chicken, black bean and rice soup, a chocolate pudding for dessert, and then breakfast I've got a custom made oatmeal, and then I've got my snacks and my drinks and things like that. But let me just show you how I put these together. Okay, so for the dinner I'm going to make a chicken, black bean and rice soup. And let me show you just how I put this together. I'm going to take a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to add one cup of these dehydrated black beans. Then I'm going to add a half a cup of instant brown rice. Then I have my seasonings, which is garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, smoked paprika, chili powder, and a little bit of turmeric. So I'm going to add that. And then, let's see, I'm going to go ahead and do this first. This is a vegetable mix. It's got dehydrated vegetables in it, which it's got carrots and onions, tomatoes, leeks, cabbage, green peas. It's just got a lot of things in here. And I played around with this recipe, so it's already been opened. But I'm just going to dump the rest of this right into my bean mixture. And then I've got some chicken base here, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of that. All right, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of this chicken base, and then I'm gonna write on this bag black bean soup. And then I'm going to place, I'll try to get all the air out of this bag. I'm going to place my bean mixture, and then I have 2 containers here of chicken. And then there is dinner. Okay, next I'm going to make a chocolate pudding dessert. And so I'm going to take 1/3 cup of sugar, place into a Ziploc bag. I'm going to roll my bag down just a little bit, makes it a little bit easier. I'm actually going to stir in just a little bit of vanilla extract. It's okay if you do that. You can mix it around in your sugar and it'll be just fine. And next, I'm going to do, well, let me do a pinch of salt. And then I'm going to do 1/4 of a cup of the carnation powdered milk. So 1/4 of a cup of that. And I need 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. So 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And then again, I'm going to stir all this together, get that vanilla incorporated, and it'll be fine. I have 2 tablespoons of butter. This will be fine. Butter does not have to be kept at room temperature. If you would feel better about it, you could pop this into the freezer and freeze it solid, and then the morning you leave, just drop it into your pudding mixture, and it should be good to go until that evening. So this is your pudding. Okay, and then for breakfast, I have some oats in a bowl, and I'm going to add just maybe a half of a tablespoon of chia seeds. I would like to have some walnuts. I'm just going to sprinkle them in. There, that's about good. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then I have this freeze-dried fruit, and I've got strawberry, banana, and mango. And oh, I'm excited about this. Okay, so I'm going to add some strawberry and banana, and I think I may just kind of break them up into some pieces. All right, so let me do the mango. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to break it up into pieces. All right, and then I'm going to stir all this together. I'm actually going to separate this equally within 2 plastic bags. Okay, I almost forgot. Just to give it an additional richness and creaminess, I am going to add some powdered milk to this. And then stirring all together. Now I'm just going to divide it evenly among these bags. Okay, then all we'll have to do is add hot water, and our oatmeal, our custom-made oatmeal is ready. Okay, and then for snack, I've got trail mix. I've got my energy bars here, and I will give you the link for that. I've got some oranges. We always need peanut butter on the go. This is delicious. I might just squirt this in my oatmeal. And then of course I have to have coffee, so I've got my coffee. There's some tea here, and then these are some white chocolate hot cocoa mix as well. So let me take you with me on my backpacking trip, because I want to show you just how I cook this delicious food. Okay, I am going to take my black bean and rice mixture and pour it in my pot. And then I'm going to pour 3 cups of water, and I'm going to let these beans and rice soak for about an hour before I cook them. Okay, so I put the soup on, just did, and now I'm going to add some chicken. Okay, so I'm just going to let this cook until it comes up to a boil, and then it should be ready to eat. Oh yeah. Is it good?
Yes, very good.
Oh my.
Very good.
Okay, so now we've got dessert. So I'm gonna pour my water. Ooh. And then my pudding mixture. Homemade pudding. Camping gourmet. Backpacking gourmet. Alright, it is starting to get thick. So I'm about to pull it off of this fire. Okay, I'm getting ready to drop my butter, but I just want to clarify. When I said it doesn't have to be room temperature, it's because I made this yesterday and it's fine and it's not that hot out. Now obviously, if you're going to be 2 or 3 days, you would not want to leave butter in a bag. But I'm going to go ahead and drop it. Oh yeah, yum.